In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add your plane ticket to Google Wallet. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible, so you have everything you need just to tap away. After you purchase your plane ticket, you'll receive a confirmation email containing your boarding pass. This is a critical document for your trip, and having it accessible on your smartphone can make your travel experience smoother. This email is your gateway to easily managing your boarding pass, ensuring you're prepared come departure day. In the email, you'll find an option that allows you to add your plane ticket directly to Google Wallet. This option is typically labeled clearly, such as Add to Wallet or something similar. By clicking on it, you initiate the process to store your digital boarding pass, making it quickly accessible anytime you need it. However, there may be instances where this option isn't available, and that's where our next method comes in handy. You can also add your plane ticket to Google Wallet using a screenshot. Start by opening Google Wallet on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from your device's App Store and set it up in a few simple steps. Once you have Google Wallet open, look for the Add to Wallet option. This feature acts as the entry point to store various types of digital cards, including plane tickets. Here, you'll see different options, and one of them will be Photo. Click on this option. This feature will allow you to use digital images as a source for your needed information. The next step involves going back to your email where your boarding pass and crucial travel details are stored. Locate the barcode on your boarding pass, as this is essential for adding it to your Google Wallet. Screenshots are a simple way to capture the barcode in your email. Make sure you have a clear image that includes all parts of the barcode without any obstructions or blurring. This ensures that the barcode can be easily read and processed by Google Wallet, allowing you access to your flight details conveniently. Once you've taken a screenshot of your boarding pass barcode, return to Google Wallet. Use the Photo option to select your screenshot from your phone's gallery. Follow the instructions on your screen to add it, and voila! The boarding pass is now stored safely in your Google Wallet, ready for you to access anytime with just a tap. This method provides a reliable backup, ensuring your boarding pass is always at your fingertips without digging through emails or searching for that elusive printed copy. This wraps up our guide on how to add your plane ticket to Google Wallet. Enjoy the convenience of a digital travel experience and safe travels.